Hi, in this video I will show you how to upload high quality video on WhatsApp status for Android. So for this one, let's head over right here into your WhatsApp. Click onto your WhatsApp right here and then from there, head over right here to your update section. So once you're in here, we have the option to add a status. So what you can do is you can just head over and then click onto that particular option. Then make sure to allow it access your camera in order to head over and then get some options. So let's head over and click on continue. So allow this. And then as you can see, it will open your gallery in order to upload videos. So for example, I'll just choose this one. And then for this one, I'll just need to enable the actual head over and then also the HD options. So we can also have in here this mention option and the likes. So you can click onto the send icon in order to send it as your status. You can also head over right here to your three dots and then go over right here to your settings. And then from in there, head over right here to your storage and data. So what we can do is we need to click onto this media upload quality and make sure that it's on the HD quality and click on save. So that should be able to resolve the high quality option. So that's how you upload high quality video on WhatsApp status. I hope this video helped you out.